Where is the... Sit properly first. Show mommy where is the fish. Where's the fish? Yay! Where is the dog? Yay! Where's the kitten? Cat. Where's the cat? Cat. Where's the rabbit? Oh, there's the rabbit. Yay! Come let's see what else. Where is the crocodile? There's the crocodile. That's the dolphin. Where's the penguin? Penguin. Where's the penguin? You know that's the crocodile. Okay, come let's go next. Where is the elephant? Where's the elephant? There's the zebra. Zebra. Where's the elephant? That's the giraffe. Where's the tiger? Tiger.
No.
Where's the tiger? Yes. Where's the elephant? Yay. Where's the monkey? Monkey. Where's the monkey? Yay. Where's the lion? Yay. Where's the kangaroo? K is for kangaroo. Where's the kangaroo? Yeah, the kangaroo is here.